Calling all Nissan drivers, are you ready to revitalize your ride this spring? Look no further than Conicelli Nissan Service Center.
Throughout the month of April, we are rolling out offers just for you.
Get your maintenance done right with our exclusive $89.95 spring maintenance service, including oil change and tire rotation and a multi-point inspection.
And that's not all. Keep your cool with a complimentary air conditioning system check to make sure your AC is up to test this spring.
Need new brakes? Enjoy $25 off your front and rear brake replacement to ensure your Nissan stops safely and reliably.
But wait, there's more. In honor of National Child Abuse Prevention Month, we're making a difference. For every brake service done on Wednesday in April, we'll donate $25 to Mission Kids.
So why wait? Book your service appointment today. Call us at 888-289-5948 or visit our website at conicelliservice.com. Don't miss out on these fantastic April specials at Conicelli Nissan Service Center.
A nice place to do business.